Hey guys, so today we have the TerraSect.
Yes,
Woo!
we do.
This is on Walmart's top toys for holiday 2018 list, guys.
Yeah.
This awesome RC toy allows you to roll, flip, and attack. Thank you so much to Alpha Group for sending this to us.
Thank you.
Are you guys ready to check it out?
Yes. We got it out of the box.
It looks cool, guys. Now what's awesome, guys, is with the easy to use trigger button, it goes from vehicle to ball, back to vehicle again, just like that.
Cool.
Yeah. Once you reach top speed, simply hit the trigger button to initiate the roll. And if the TerraSect flips over, it can flip itself back over.
Cool.
Which is really awesome.
Yeah.
Now its tough build allows it to jump, tumble, and roll over most terrain. You guys ready to check it out?
Yes.
So guys, what do you think of the TerraSect?
I think it's really cool.
Cool. Thank you again to Alpha Group for sending this to us.
Thank you.
And you can find these at Walmart, Target, Amazon, and other retailers nationwide.
Yeah.
They retail for $34.99 and for ages 6 and up.
Yes. Until next time, guys. Bye.